Welcome to Gigi's Galactic Kitchen. Today we're going to make one of my favorite recipes, what I like to call a building blocks spinach quinoa salad. For our salad we are going to need spinach, tomato, avocado, some kind of colored pepper. I only have half a pepper left, but that's fine. I try to use up whatever I have in the fridge actually for this recipe, so you can sub whatever you'd like. These are just the basic ingredients that I use. I also add pecans and black beans. I'm going to also make a quinoa, and then I'm going to make a dressing to go with it, a lemon cumin vinaigrette. For our dressing, I'm going to use olive oil, red wine vinegar, a maple syrup, a freshly squeezed lemon, a little black pepper, garlic and cumin. The first thing I'm going to do is cook my quinoa. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I like my quinoa a bit more fluffy, so I usually add about a quarter cup more water than it calls for on the package. Oh, Kitty's coming to help me today. Kitty, would you like to cut some lemon? No, you might get in your eye. Okay, anyway, let's get the quinoa started. If you're making one salad, you want to do about a quarter cup quinoa. I'm going to now assemble my salad, if Kitty will let me. When assembling my salad, I'm going to start by picking apart my spinach. When you're going through your spinach, you want to make sure any pieces that are kind of brown, you just set those off to the side and toss those. You don't really want to eat brown spinach. I pick apart my spinach a little bit and then just set it in my bowl. I'm making two salads today, so I'm going to go ahead and fill up these two bowls with a good handful of spinach. Hey, get out of there! Now that I've got my spinach all assembled in my bowls and I've got the kitty out of here, I'm going to cut up my veggies. Wow. The next thing I'm going to add to my salad is a nice big handful of black beans. I'm going to add those to each salad here. Get some protein. And then I'm going to add some pecans. You can buy pecans already chopped up. I just didn't, so I'll just chop them with my hands myself. The last step in our salad today is to make our dressing. For our dressing, we're going to need a tablespoon olive oil, tablespoon red wine vinegar, teaspoon maple syrup, teaspoon freshly squeezed lemon juice, a quarter teaspoon cumin, quarter teaspoon garlic, and sprinkling of black pepper. So I'm going to assemble that now. We'll give it a pinch more. Got my quinoa on top of my assembled salad. Now I'm going to toss my salad. So I went ahead and added my quinoa and I got my dressing ready to go. The reason I call this a building block spinach quinoa salad is because recently, while reading the book The Food Explorer by Daniel Stone, I discovered that quinoa contains the 9 essential amino acids that the body needs to build proteins. If you're interested in finding out how more of our food came to America, check out this book. In the meantime, I'm hungry, so I'm going to go ahead and eat my salad. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and check out more of my videos. Enjoy tossing your salad!